So good morning, everyone. My name is Anurag Sabu. So welcome to this special webinar. Oh, okay, so I'll just so we are so let me just briefly introduce myself. My name is Anurag Sabu. I'm director, co-founder of Fund Expert FinTech, engineer from IIT Madras, gold medalist, and MBA from IIM Bangalore with over 25 plus work experience and lot of certifications across financial domain. As I am a CFT, CFP, CFT, and all that. So basically, with all that experience, we have set up a lot of and also all possible certifications which are out there in financial industry domain. Basically, we set up a lot of I have set up a lot of fintechs startups. So here is our major product of our existing fintech startup, which is called Enterprise Mutual Fund Platform, which is a state-of-art digital platform for large financial institutions, which is our first major product. And when we are building this major product, and we won a lot of awards and recognitions from Thomson, all big names you can see, Village Capital, Thomson Reuters, FinTech City, and all that, and then from Barclays, and then we were and we got a lot of big customers. So our customers included Stock Holding Corporation, Edelweiss, Bajaj Finserv, Kotak Wealth. So we have a lot of large B2B clients across India. Now, once we are working with these clients, the thing was that we when we came across when our one of our partners who were promoting us or continues to promote is BSC Star MF, and they basically said, why don't you build something for the smaller and medium advisors? And that's how we came across and we started building this platform. This was a 2019 conference when I was present in Mumbai, as you can see, and I was part of National FinTech FICCI committee, where the genesis of this idea started, that why don't we build, where I met Mr. Kiran, who was the head of BSC Star MF then, and he said, why don't you build something for us and we'll help you to reach out to the advisors, and we started building that. And this is the thing. So when we started studying for small advisors, small and medium advisors, and we figured out what issues they have, and then we realized they actually, what they lack is a quality digital platform to present their own thing. Most of the tools what they had were back office softwares and all that. They didn't have a complete automated multi-asset wealth management platform, and the big guys were having that, and that's why they were able to beat the smaller guys, or they were able to grow like anything. So we realized without access to a quality digital platform, people are losing out on a lot of cross-selling opportunities, lot of costs, so growth was not happening, costs were not coming down, income were coming down due to regulations and all that. So we realized here's an opportunity, and we decided to build a platform. So here the company we co-founded with my partner, and it's called Fund Expert FinTech. And the purpose of Fund Expert FinTech is to help small wealth advisors to serve their clients better and grow through our automated digital platform. Okay, so here's the solution which we came across. We built a solution called Automated Digital Multi-Asset Wealth Management Platform. Okay, so the platform, as you will see in the demo of which we are going to do today after this, that it has gives you a complete online digital identity to an advisor. It automates the entire automation, managing, reporting of all the client accounts and all the details, and it scales the complete it gives you a complete access to all kind of financial products and high-tech advisory service which you will need to integrate or to have in your own platform to serve your customers who have growing requirements of different kind of financial products. So you need to scale up as a normal mutual fund distributor. You want to become a multi-asset wealth management distributor, and that's what this platform is all designed to build you. Now, when we were building this platform, we also realized that the platform is going to be if somebody has to just subscribe, the fees goes much higher. You already know there are a lot of products out there which fees are very large. So we realized that we have to build a platform which is a very uniquely, very cost efficient also. So that's why we came with this model called zero cost platform. So we will explain in the end how it becomes a zero cost platform for you, but that we will explain in the end. Okay, so first you understand what is the benefit of the platform, how it will help you to scale the quality advisory technology, how it will make your client become very happy with your platform and the quality of different services inside the platform, and increase your business through upselling and cross-selling through the platform. Okay, so we call this a platform which comes with your touch and our tech, and that will empower your own financial advisory business to the next level. Just one more thing. This is not a sub-broker model. This is nothing. This is your own ARN model. So be rest assured, you are totally owner and connected to your client. Nobody contacts or connects to your client without for any reason through our platform. It's your own private platform which you are using to manage all your client management. So we are working with you to develop your business, to develop your client management and everything. Okay. So now coming back to the platform. So let's show you the lot of 1,000+ advisors have chosen, and they have made it one of the best platforms. But before I show you why they have chosen and why they have rated us, they have made the Fund Expert the most appreciated MFD platform in India. We are the highest rated MFD software platform in India with a Google rating of 4.615. So why it has happened, what is the features and what is the thing, that is what I will show you. Now we will start the demo of the platform. So now I will stop sharing my screen and I will hand over to Vinod, my colleague, to do the next part of the presentation and show you all that. So Vinod, all yours.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, hi everyone. Myself, I'm Vinod. So I'm product expert in Fund Expert Fintech. So I'll be taking you through the different features of Fund Expert platform. So without any delay, let me share my screen with you.
By the time Vinod is sharing the screen, we have very limited audience. We have called very selected people. So I will allow you to unmute yourself, and if you want, you can ask your questions at any point of time and keep it freely interactive. So Mr. Dharamraj, Mr. Gopal, Mr. Jar, please feel free to interact during the presentations if you need anything, if you need any clarification. But I would suggest, in interest of everyone, that keep all your questions to the end, because there are lots of stuff we will discuss. He will be explaining, and once he is finished with his presentation, then we will take up all the questions. So please sit back and just go through the presentation once. It will end, and then we will answer all your questions at the end. Okay. So thank you so much for our patient listening for next 45 minutes. Yes, Vinod, all yours. Your screen is not yet visible, so
yes,
please make it.
Yes. Sorry, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
I hope my screen is visible to you also now.
Yes, it's visible.
So yes. So when coming to Fund Expert, so you got a better idea about what is Fund Expert platform about. Like Anurag sir gave the best introduction possible, and here we have this platform. Okay. So when it comes to Fund Expert, as an advisor, you don't not only you get a transaction platform, you get a complete package. Like you get a transaction website, you get like platform as well as a mobile app, as well as you'll get a backend panel, admin panel to manage your operational work, as well as to manage or get your AUM reports. It's all kind of things. So let me start by one after the other. Like each product I'll explain you one by one. So first thing we will be looking at is the website. So what type of website that you're going to get? See, this is, as you can see here, this is the demo website of Fund Expert. As you can see, you will get a standard template, like with all the graphics and everything. You'll get a website like this. Okay, and in this website you can see the URL and the logo or the name, everything will be changed. The thing is, like here you can see demo.fundexpert.net, right? That will be changed to whatever your company name is, .fundexpert.net. Your logo will be changed here, your name will be changed. Okay, so it will be like your own website that you can share with your clients. And how the clients acquisition can happen? See, either as an advisor, you can add new clients under you, or you can share your website. The clients can do sign up automatically; they will be added under. All they have to do is just click on sign up. They can enter the basic details and go for a sign up.
Yeah, just to add what Vinod is saying, this website is one of such products at Fund Expert. We have multiple such products. This is one option it's available, which is coming under demo.fundexpert.net. But if you need your own website with something www.yourname.com, you want a different kind of templates, we have so much more choices and everything available. He's just showing you one product which is having like this, but there are multiple products available which can show you, which can be made in different designs, different templates. It's all up to your requirement, how you need it. Okay, and this can be made anything. So this is one just template. He's just showing you one sample. Yeah, we know.
Yes.
Continue.
Thank you. Yeah, this is just a standard template that I'm showing you. Yeah, I'll be showing end of this session, like I'll be showing different white label, also different type of products we have according to your requirement. That also I'll be showing to you. So let me go inside the platform. So now I logged in as an advisor. So when you log in as an advisor, you will get options to add clients under you. You can even log into your existing clients. You can do onboarding everything. Okay. So all you have to do to add clients is just go to client, and here you get add clients option. So here what you can do, you can add, you can just, if you have the details of the client, you can just enter the details and you can add a new client and you can even onboard the client yourself. So how to do that, I'll just show you here. So let me add a new client here. So it's very simple. See, the best part of FundExpert platform is this paperless onboarding. So everything is it's digitalized in such a way that everything is very seamless and it reduces your time and effort. Okay. So all you have to do is just enter the details, select the particular tax status. There are different tax status also available. Right now, I've selected resident individual. Just give add client. Okay. So as soon as you give add client, the client will be added and you will be inside the client login. So you are logged in as Vinod Kumar now. So how to onboard this client now? If you have the details handy, you can just do it in 2 to 3 minutes. Just complete the profile. Everything is automated here. Okay. See, because I've entered a PAN number which is already KYC verified, automatically the system detects that. And here in the top, you can see it is showing as KYC approved. Means this particular PAN number already KYC is done. In case if I enter a PAN number which the KYC is not compliant, then automatically the system detects that also. And what it will do, it will give you a pop-up, it will clearly give a message that you need to proceed with the video KYC. And you can initiate video KYC also from our platform itself. Okay, so let me, after this onboarding, I'll show you how that video KYC works out. See, you just have to complete the profile here. Sorry, let me choose a different address. So the address will be 40 characters in one box. Okay, so I just entered my address, created successfully. Just go to my bank. If I'll ask for the bank details, enter your bank account number and IFSC code. Select your account type. Go to. It's so simple. You can complete your profile. See, now as per the new UCC updated, you can add multiple nominees as well. Okay, and you can enter the percentage as well here. How much percentage? If you're adding a second holder, second nominee, third nominee, you can add the how much percentage applicable, nominee percentage applicable also, and you can do that. Say, for example, this 100, and I save and continue. So as soon as you give save and continue, you just complete the profile here. Automatically, you get this pop-up with all the details that you have entered. So final verification has to be done here, and you can see here. First thing is client ID. So this is the client ID. BSC is our transaction partners. The BSC platform is integrated. So this is the client ID that is going to be generated in BSC. That client ID, client will get this ID generated in BSC. You can even make this unique. In case as an IFA, you will be following a pattern for the client ID. You can even use that as well. Take for example, I want to have Vinu123. So I can, no, it should be just unique. You can enter that as well here. You can edit here, and then you can give accept. So as soon as you give accept here, it will ask for a OTP. So OTP, it will go to the client's registered mobile number. When client is doing, obviously you will get it to his mobile number, you can do it. But in case if an advisor, you are doing it, see, there is a business panel also I told you, right, which I'll be showing you. See, in this business panel, you will be able to see that OTP as well, 5522, inside the user profile here. So you don't have to depend for that also. Just enter it here, you complete the onboarding yourself. So now the client ID generation part is done. Profile is updated successfully. Profile is saved in BSC also. The last final step you have to do is you need to upload the check image and signature image. So if you have that image with you, if you had collected from the client yourself, you can just upload that here. As soon as you upload the check image, it will ask for the signature image. Yes, signature image should be in white paper. It should be signed in blue ink. So there is for everything there is a sample field as well. See, you can see how the AF form got plotted here, right? So everything is paperless. There is no need for a client to fill any form here. Just upload the image of your check image and signature image. Automatically a pre-filled AO form, account opening form is generated with its client ID and details, everything, and it's signed. Signature is also getting auto plotted here. See, there is a simple tool here in case if you want to edit or crop any signature, you can do that as well to make it more better. So all these are made it. These things are made very simple. Just crop it, submit it. You can see here. And now, final submission you have to do is just give submit image. As soon as you give submit image, the AO will be submitted to BSE and the client is ready for investment now. So this is how how simple you can see how simple the onboarding process is, right? Okay, so you can do it on your behalf. Just take the details of the client. You can do it on your behalf, or even if a client logins, he signs up and logins, it's very simple. Next, each step it takes to what he has to do. As soon as he logins, he'll get the profile completion page. As soon as he completes the profile, automatically he'll be directed to upload documents. He uploads the document, he's ready to do the investment as well. Okay, so in this case, actually, if I give submit image, it will not happen now because the UCC authentication has to be done. But in your case, when you get onboarded, the RM will help you to waiver that process. If that process is waived, then immediately the AOF will get submitted as well. Okay, so this is how the onboarding works. So the next thing in the process is like, take for example, now you have done the onboarding. You want to share the clients details to the clients now. You have just registered them or you onboarded them. Very simply, you can do that. Just search the client name here, go to client list, whichever client you want to share the credentials, just click on this particular button here. Then login details user. So immediately a mail and SMS will go to the client with their user ID and password. So they can directly log in to your website. So it's very simple. Okay. So now let me take you inside a client login. See, client login, when you want to search, it's not like always you have to go to client list clients and enter the name. We have made it very simpler here. Just in the top of the no, there is a client search tab here. Just enter which client name you want to and click on that particular client. You will be inside the client login. Okay, so inside the client login, you will be able to see their entire portfolio. You can do transaction on behalf of them. Everything is possible. Okay, so this is I've just taken this is how the client login looks. When a client is onboarded, the login looks like this. The first tab is here is the dashboard. So before going to dashboard, I'll just tell you how a client can start the investment. Okay, see, once the client is onboarded, he has submitted his AO. Next thing he can do is just go to start investing button here. And he can select his own mutual fund. Whichever mutual fund one. See, we have given a search engine itself here with all the different filters. So using these filters, you can select different schemes and you can directly go for an investment. So you get all the schemes here. In case you want to filter those schemes, just select based on the categories. Accordingly, you get filtered and you get the stocks available there. In case you want to search for a particular, you can do that as well. And from here, the client can give buy, or you can even add it to cart. So it's like you can purchase bulk schemes in a single order as well. So just keep adding to cart, and then you go to cart and you can do the investment there. Or just give buy, you will come to this page, investment page. So this will be the investment page. When whichever scheme you select, right, you get a complete view of that particular scheme. What is its return? Its NAV chart. So you get a proper idea about it. You get better details like fund house details. If you click on this, you'll get a detailed scheme details also there of that particular thing. So you can do analysis here to get the deeper view of that particular scheme. Everything is available here. Okay. Then if you want to go for an investment, one-time investment or SIP, you can select and you can go for an investment. Or if you can add it to cart, you can add to cart. And then from the cart also, you can make the payment. Your basket will be available here with all the schemes. Just click on buy and you can pay do the payment. This is the first step. The second thing the client can do is they have a smart investment also. See, in case if a new client logins, he doesn't know where he has to invest. he can directly click on Smart Investment. He can enter the amount, how much he wants to invest. He can just select his risk appetite. He wants to take a higher risk, moderate, or low. Accordingly, the fund suggestion will come. He will be suggested with a basket, and what is the growth of that basket also he will know in next 5 years. Or he doesn't have to even himself select the risk category. See, as soon as first time when the client goes for the smart investment, first thing it will take him to the risk profiling itself. There is a risk profile option also, where it will just ask for few questions like this. He can check his risk appetite from this questions itself. System is designed in such a way that it's kind of a robo advisory, which will determine based on the client's requirements, which risk category does he fall into. So based on that, when he clicks on invest now, it will automatically give him all the schemes where he can invest for a default value, which he can overrule and change it accordingly as per his requirement. Okay. And even you can make this as monthly or one time or monthly investment as well. So if it goes for monthly, where how much you can see the baskets have changed, schemes have changed, the meters increased the numbers. So all those will be, everything is automated. So this will be the best platform for even new clients who doesn't know about markets also, they can also invest and they can do that. The main more important topic here is when investing, one time you just upload the documents, you can start one-time investment. In case if the client wants to start an SIP, even mandate registration, you will be aware, right? For SIP, starting an SIP, we require mandate registration so that it gets auto debited from his account. Even that is made very simple here. Okay, so client can just go to register mandates. There are different mandates here. You can click on eNACH mandate, which is very simpler and completely paperless. So eNACH mandate is very simple. He will get his bank account details here. He just have to click on register eNACH mandate here. When he clicks on register eNACH mandate, automatically the client will receive his mandate ID will be generated. Client will receive an email with from BSE itself with the eNACH authentication link. He has to just click on that particular link and complete the authentication process. So as soon as he completes that, it will be in processing, and within 3 or 4 days, eNACH mandate gets approved here. So once the mandate gets approved, when the client goes for investment, when he's selecting the, take for example, invest in the scheme. When he selects SIP here, monthly investment, automatically he'll get on one more tab here where to select the mandate as well. So you can just select his mandate ID, start date, and place the SIP order. That is also very simple. Okay. And in case if they want, some clients are comfortable with NACH mandate, means the physical mandate. See, that is also more easier here. I'll just show you here if possible. That is how simple. A pre-filled mandate, just like how you saw this AO form, right? As soon as we uploaded it, the AO form got generated. Same like that, what it happens is for NACH mandate also, it will download a pre-filled mandate when you give download scan mandate. So here the client ID is still not active, but when you click here, it will automatically download a form with everything is pre-filled. All the client has to do is just download that form, sign there, his name will be appearing there, sign there, and upload it here. So as soon as he uploads the mandate image, the mandate image will get submitted to BSE, and immediately the client can start SIP. Okay, for NACH mandate, immediately it will appear in the investment part. You can start the SIP as well. So everything is made very seamless. There is no paperwork needed for mandate registration, onboarding, investment. Everything is online. Everything is digitalized. Okay. Now coming to the next part. What about reports? So now the client has started investing. So how you will get his reports? Like take for example, he wants a consolidated report. All the reports are available here. When he just clicks on report, he wants a capital gain report, transaction report, ELSS report, everything he can download in PDF or Excel. Or if he wants a complete portfolio statement, just click on PDF, it will immediately download. You will get a pre-filled statement here. And even the statement will be like kind of like a customized where it will have your logo, name, and everything, not the free fund expert. Okay. And coming to the dashboard part. So we saw a different type of investments that was there, right? Like how they can do investment. Next thing is there is a unique option which is there in the platform is the cash option. Cash means like not only the existing investment. Obviously, whoever is registered under you, your clients when they log in, all the data setup you will be doing it initially when you onboard itself. So all their internal data will appear in the dashboard under internal tab. But what about the external data? Take, for example, as a client, I might have invested in some other IFA. I might have some direct investment. Everything can be fetched from the platform itself. So how that to be done? Just go to portfolio upload, or there is an option called track your folio option here. When client just clicks on fetch portfolio, and he just by default is registered email ID, whatever is it will show here. In case he has done the investment in different email ID, when you can add that. Okay, because the investment is connected with the email ID. Just give request portfolio here. As soon as he gives request portfolio, what happens is there will be a request generated from KFintech for the consolidated statement, and within 1 hour, the client will receive the mail with the portfolio statement attached in the PDF. And this will be the password for it. Password is nothing but fund at the rate whatever his user ID is. Okay. So what the client will now do is he just has to upload that PDF here. So when he uploads the PDF here, what happens? Immediately in the external dashboard, all his external investment gets captured here. So just like this, see there is a direct investment, it will get captured here. Okay. So how the external investment looks, I'll just show you here in the dashboard. See, external PDF. So the dashboard is divided into two, all is external investment captured here. And the best part in capturing the external investment is, as an advisor, you also will be able to log into do login as to your clients, and you will get a complete 360-degree view of his portfolio. In case if any of the firms are not performing in external portfolio, they can even switch. They can do transaction in external portfolio. So when they do switch here, switch or STP from here, the new folio that gets generated, now automatically that will be internal. Okay. And in case if there is if you go to table view, you get a consolidated view. In a single page, you will see all these schemes. In case there is a ARN change required, we have this ARN change form also. In case if you want to download, just click here. You can even download. Okay. And from this page also you can, from action you can do buy more, redeem, switch, everything is available. SWP, everything is available here. Okay. And one more best option in the dashboard which we have is the client can even download the SOA. In case if the client wants to download the SOA, right? From here itself directly you can give a request for downloading the SOA. Right? So statement of accounts can be downloaded. Just click here. So for this, the Karvy user ID and password will be pre-filled by the team itself. So all the Karvy funds you can download it immediately. For CAMS also, if you have CAMS constant ID, you just have to enter it in the admin panel, or it will directly take you to the exact page of CAMS. If you just enter the details, the statement will be mailed to the client. So everything is very simpler. The client himself can generate the SOA from our platform itself. If you just want to see like how the SOA is generated, I'll just show you a simple video here. Yeah. So you saw in the end, right, how the SIA got generated immediately. See that initially in that video, you would have seen the admin panel, they would configure the user ID and password. That is also made very simpler now. Nowadays, you don't have to do anything in admin panel. Your Karvy user ID and password, everything is preset. Okay. Just only if you have CAMS functional ID, you need to set it in the admin panel. Otherwise, you can directly, once you're onboarded, the client can directly come here, click on action, click on SOU, immediately it will get downloaded. So everything is possible here now. Okay. The next thing we have is the asset dashboard. See, not only the mutual funds, if the client wants to monitor any other financial assets, everything can be done here. Okay. So in case if you want to add fixed income, you can add it here. Or if you want to add loans, you can add life insurance. In case you need insurance, you can add here. And stocks, they have to just upload their NSDL and CSDL here. So once they upload, all the stocks get automatically captured. And the asset dashboard is used in such a way that everything can be monitored. All its other financial assets, the consolidated view you can get here. What is the total investment in mutual funds, stocks, fixed income, everything can be monitored. What is this insurance coverage amount, everything can be seen from here. Okay. And in case you are doing insurance business, the client, there is an option for the client to give a buy option for insurance also. When it goes to insurance and buy, what happens is if any client clicks on this particular insurance and you just have to give us basic details. So once he gives us details, it will just give him a pop-up. You'll be contacted with the necessary information for the proposal. What happens here is any client who shows interest in any product, automatically that lead is generated and you can see that lead in the admin panel. So you get the leads. Now what you can do, you can even talk to them and send a proposal as well. Like this, you get the lead generation as well. So all these are possible. So other financial, so there is a best opportunities for you to do business with other products as well. Okay, which will definitely increase your business. Just like that, we have NPS investment can be done from here. SGB, sovereign gold bond investment can be done from here. So all other financial products also are available here. And there is an option to add family members. So in case if a client, just like how you add clients under you, right? In case as an client, as a member, if I want to add families under me, I can directly add family members under me. And I can even manage their account. I can onboard them. I can do investment on behalf of them. If I go to my family account, I will see the entire family's portfolio. Two things. One, I will see the consolidated view of my family portfolio, and I will be able to even log in under any of my family members if I want. So just click here. I'll be inside Rana Samir profile. I can see his profile. If I want to do transaction or start any SIP with them, I can do that. And there is an option for compare funds. It's a kind of like analysis tool where you'll be able to compare different schemes and check which one is better. Okay, you can add different schemes like this. You can even edit it. And from here itself, you can directly go for invest now. It will take you to the investment page. Okay. And I showed you the smart assistant, and there is an orders page where whatever orders is placed, you can see the status of that order here itself. And in case once the payment is done, sometimes it takes time for the allotment to be done. Before that, you can check the payment status. See, there is an option called payment status button here, right? It will show you the live status of your order in BSE. Okay, so from here you can check the live status as well. In case what are the running subs that are under your platform, you can see here. Whatever the cancelled orders, everything can be seen. What is the status of that? Everything can be seen here. And the client can set different goals. There is option to set goals as well. A paid goal page is designed here based on his purpose or the why he is setting the goal. Accordingly, he can set up a goal. He can give his own name. Maybe we are given different name, but they can give their own name for their goal. They can set up the goal as well. What is the accumulated savings? They can enter the basic details, calculate. So this will be their goal. If they submit, again, there is a robot advisory option here. What it will, based on their goal, the system will give them top rated schemes where they can invest into, how they can start an SIP. Either the client can do this, or what he can do is, once he submits, all his goal will be available in your goals. He can even link this existing goal to any of this investment. Okay. So any of his existing investments, you can even link the goal. How can he do it? See, everywhere, wherever the investment is done, there is an option here, existing goal, select option here. You can just, whichever goal you want to link it, you can just directly click here. Automatically, that goal will be linked to that particular investment. And here you will see what is it, how much it has achieved. everything can be monitored. See, it got, if you want to see transaction, you can see that as well. So it's very simple to manage their portfolios, to see their returns, everything is just in one single platform, they can do it. If they want to, I showed you reports, there is a button here itself, navigation button for reports. Directly they can go here, they can download any report they require. And holding summary report will be like a family report, even they can download a family statement as well. And there is an NFO page where all the new fund offers, whenever it is released, immediately it will be shown here. From here, they can directly go for investment in NFOs. Okay. See about the page. If you want to invest into tax saving funds, there is a basket for that as well. And if you want to see SIP with free insurance, you can search all the schemes which comes with free life insurance as well here. Okay. You get all the schemes here. And then you go, you have stocks or other things, all the other financial assets. You can even open Demat account from the platform. You can apply for IPOs. You can see your live holdings. Everything is available here. Okay, all the other financial products. And there is a very important help tool which will help you much of the. In case if they want to download a physical help, KYC help, you can download that forms here. In case any client wants to update his email ID in your MF folios online, how to do that? The link will direct you. Update your mobile number, email ID, KYC, all these things. There is a particular links are relevant links are given here. Using this, you can do that. Even you can add nominations to existing, update nominations to your MF folios. Everything is available. Okay. So this is about the web platform. I hope you got a better idea about it right now, right? So what I showed you was the options for the clients. As a client, what all you'll be able to do. As an advisor, one more best things that you can do from your login is you can create thematic baskets as well. See, when the client goes for start investing, right? You'll see under this there will be popular baskets. These popular baskets are not created by us. It can be created by yourself. So in case if you want to suggest any funds to your client, you can create different baskets from here. Okay, you can give based on allocation percentage, everything. You can create your benchmark. You can add that, give a name for that particular basket from here. Search for the schemes, add the schemes, and you can give save and continue. Once you do this, you can create different baskets like this. So all these baskets, when a client logins, in the start investing button under popular basket, it will show this. So when you want to even advise your clients, just tell them the name. Better than just go log in, buy the better than savings basket. They will just go click on invest now for this. They can go for a purchase of this basket. So all this will be enabled in from your admin account. You can do that. In case someone has showed insurance interest in insurance, you want to generate the proposal from your ID. There is an insurance portal. So from here you can generate proposal and send it to them. Whichever relevant, all the insurance options are available. You can even show that. Okay. Yeah. Last but not least, I forgot to show about the video KYC. Right. See, whenever you are adding a new client, when you enter a PAN or even the client signs up, when they enter a PAN where the video KYC is not, the KYC is not compliant for that, then what it will happen? It will do is automatically now I've entered a PAN where the video KYC is not, it is not compliant. What it happens is you can see in the top now, it is showing as KYC not done. Whereas in the beginning when I did, it was showing as KYC approved. Okay, so now what the system has done is the system has automatically detected that this person is not KYC verified. So what happens when it tries to onboard? System will detect and it will show a pop-up that you need to complete your video KYC. See, you got the pop-up here. Your KYC status is showing not done, so you need to initiate video KYC after completing profile or contact us to guide you. Okay. So what now the client has to do is, if he just goes to profile and edit profile, automatically another tab is added here. Do my KYC. Here the client has to go enter this captcha and it will direct what steps has to be followed. See how the video KYC is done. There is a video for that. we have created a video for that. It is available in our YouTube channel also. Okay. So next step, how it can be done, I'll just show you a simple. I'll just fast forward and show you the video how it is done. So once the CAPTCHA is entered, so the PAN number has to be updated. Next, you'll be updating his Aadhaar card. Will take him to the KYC details. This video also you can just go. Okay. So upload the photo. Then they have to upload a video showing their address proof. After that, it will give a PDF like this. You will get a consolidated PDF to verify. And then you have to do a Aadhaar verification. So Aadhaar e-sign verification mandatory for doing a video KYC. Then you do the final submission. Once that is done, it will be redirected to Fund Expert page. Your application is ready. Just give yes and submit it. Okay. Once it is submitted, you will be I'll show you where the video KYC status will be appearing in the admin panel. There you can check the status within 1 or 2 days. Your video KYC status will be generated and you will be showing that. So this is about the front-end panel. So many options are available which will help you to serve your clients better, as well as it makes a lot of your work very easy and seamless. Okay. Now we'll see how the admin panel works. Okay. See, this is the admin panel platform, business panel that you will get. So there are many options which will make your work more easy here, and to manage your AUM and other kind of reports as well. So in admin panel, once you log in, you will come to this page where all your client lists will be available here. So there are different filters for your clients. In case if you want to filter and get the client list accordingly, everything can be generated here as well. You want to see only AUF verified clients, everything can be searched here. So from here, this view itself, you will come to know whether this particular client mandate is missing, AUF is missing, or KYC is not done. Everything can be monitored here. And in case if you want to search a particular client, you can search with name, email, and everything. Okay. And in case if you want to see what are the client families that are added, you can see all the list of families here. You click on any particular family name, you will see the entire family details here, family portfolio here. You can download that report if you want. Okay. And in case if you want to add more family members to this, just click on add family members. You can search the client and add it. Just add account and submit. This particular client will be added as a family for that. Okay. And then you can see a consolidated view of the orders, whatever the overall orders placed. Based on the order type, you can filter and check one time or monthly. Everything can be checked here. Whether it's a cancelled order or all orders, you can check it. And transactions, you can date wise, you can even filter the transaction and download in Excel. Okay. So which month transaction you want to download, you select here. Either you download for month-wise transaction, or even individual client, if you want to download, just enter their name and you download Excel and submit. Immediately the transaction statement will be downloaded. And your AUM, if you want to check your AUM, AMC wise, user wise, everything is available here. And everything can be further break down to user level, team level, and user level as well. Okay. So everything you can break down and check. So you get a clear chart here also, how much percentage is invested in which team. And here you can check user wise, team type wise, everything is available. Okay. And if you see, there are additional reports in the admin panel. There is a report, portfolio valuation report. Other than the reports available in the front end, there are like portfolio valuation reports, which is available in the admin panel as well, which you can download and send it to your clients. Okay. And this can be downloaded in family wise or user wise. Anything you can download, whether internal or external. All these filters are given in case if you require redeemed units or not, portfolio summary you require or not. Accordingly, you can download. You can check the report and you can download it. You can download it in PDF if you require. Both the options are there for PDF as well as for Excel. Okay. And see, not only you download the valuation reports, there is option to schedule reports as well. You see, there might be, you have so many clients whom they know every week you need to send a report for that client. They don't check online. or every month they want a statement to be mailed to them. So you don't have to do this manually every month. So this scheduler makes your work very simple. All you have to do is just select that particular client name, which client you want to do it. Select that particular report that you want to send. You can send whether you want to send it monthly, weekly, you can send decide that. Accordingly, select a date. Just select the day and leave. So what happens now is this report is already scheduled. Okay. So now automatically what happens every month on that particular date or every week on that particular day, the client will automatically receive the mail. You don't have to do anything. Okay. See all the scheduled reports you can see here, and there is a log also to check whether that mail has successfully gone on. Okay. So in the logs, you can check whether when this was scheduled and whether the mail is sent successfully. So automatically the clients will get the emails with the statements. Everything is auto generated here. And when coming to MIS, see there are different AUM reports available here. You can see your SIP reports, AMC wise, how many SIP, everything is available, as well as you can see your overall dashboard. What is your total AUM, total purchase, total redemption, total clients running SIPs, who are the top AMC investors, and you can get monthly MIS as well. If you want to download a monthly MIS report, you can download here month wise, which month you require. You can even bifurcate that by transaction type. Okay. Now coming to one more best option is, see, as I told you, the web as well as the app, no, it's completely customizable. The overall things like the theme, name or logo, everything is customizable also. So how you can do that is, the main option here is My App Details. So when you go to My App Details, you can see all your app title, your subtitle, what is your theme of the mobile app, and what is your logo, your mobile app link. See, whenever you register in Fund Expert, you get a customized app link like this. Okay, so with this link, you can download your app. So how your app will look and how you can change yourself the logo and themes and all, I'll just show you. I'll just connect my app here, mobile app here. Yeah, hope you're able to see my screen, right? See here, when I go to Fund Expert app here, so I've already downloaded. See what happens is, so initially you see the Fund Expert. Now here, this will be your home page. So this logo, this IFA name, your the tagline, everything is customizable. You and the background color, you can customize it as per your requirement. Just I can change the from the admin panel itself. Just go to Edit App Details. If I want, I can change my app title. App subtitle also I can change. So the tagline is Happy Investing to Everyone. I can change this as well. So whatever changes I do here, it will come immediately. And here, if you see, I can change my background color also. If I wanted green or something, I can keep that color. And once I give submit, now let me go to the app. I'll just close my app and open it. See here, the text is changed. The IFA is changed. The theme color, change it to green. Okay, everything is changed now. Okay, so once you log in, just same way, if you want to change your logo also, you can change it. So logo upload also, whichever new logo, in case you want to change anything, there is option here itself. Just go to upload logo, upload the new logo that you have, immediately, as just now you saw, right, how it changed in the mobile app, the logo also will be changed. Okay. And inside the mobile app also, what all functionalities you saw in the website, everything is available in the mobile app as well. Okay. So all those, I'm just logged in. This is a modern theme. See, in mobile app, we have two themes. This one is the modern theme that we have recently launched, which looks very attractive. Okay. So in this modern theme, you can see in case this is the, as an IFA, when you log in, you get a brief view of your AUM also. In case if you want to log in into clients, just click on the center button. There's a client button here. So in the client, under client list, you can search whichever client you want to log in into. Yes, you can see the entire details. Just click on that particular client, you will be inside the client account. So this is how when a client logins, it will be showing that. Automatically you'll get a brief. So all the new funds will be appearing, all your popular baskets, whatever you created, it will be showing here. So in the dashboard, the client will see all his existing investment in the mutual fund dashboard. So you can even download the reports or everything can be done from the mobile app itself. Okay, see everything you can see is, and you can see the transaction. In case you want to download the statement, you can download. You can see his absolute return, overall portfolio. You can even sort by current value. In case you want to see a category breakup, you can see that. So everything is available in the mobile app itself. So other financial assets, just like how you saw in the website, you can open a Demat account or you can just upload his NSDL and CSDL and you can monitor his stocks, insurance, fixed income, gold, everything can be done here itself. You can even invest in gold, that SGB gold, whenever it is available from you. And you can maintain a family account. Reports can be downloaded from the mobile app. Everything is available in the center button if you click. This is the menu button. There is a portfolio tab where you can give request for the cash statement, or if you want to request for add his fixed income, you can do it from here itself. You can upload the PDF here, so all his external investments also will be captured in the portfolio. Okay, and there is a calculator tab. See, there are different calculators updated in the portal. So all the calculators the client can use for his planning, financial planning. Okay, and the compare funds option I showed you, right? That is available in the mobile app as well. You can compare different themes, searching these themes from here. Search themes and you can add it here. Like this, you can add and you can even compare it. Okay. And under you, if you come, see the AU option is available here as well. Same thing, whenever a customer signs up, it will ask immediately to do the sign up. Once he does the sign up, he completes his profile creation, he can upload the cancel check here as well. Because it is doing in a mobile app, you have camera option also here. Okay, so you can use the camera option also, just click a pic and upload it immediately here. And for signature, there is a open signature pad also. You can even do a signature online and enter it. You submit. Okay, and then you can submit your AO from here as well. And there is an investment tab. So in case the client wants to search his own mutual funds, he can do that. Or if he wants to fetch portfolio or go for a popular basket or smart assistant after his profiling, if he wants to upload, everything is available in the mobile app itself. Okay. So now if I click on, I'm inside my demo login. There is an option to do login as myself. When you click on center button, when you click on login as myself, you'll be back to your profile there. Okay. So all these are there. I'll just show you how you can change the theme. And in a single click, you can change the theme of this. Not the theme. No, there are two different themes available. Now I showed you the modern, right? In case if you want to change it to normal theme, that also the control is in your hand. App UI type. So UX UI user interface, you can change to white theme. Give submit. I see what happens. This is the normal theme. Now you see it everything in the white background and the images, everything is changed. Whichever theme is very suitable for you, you can use. that as well. Okay, and this is just as in the beginning, even Anurag sir told, no, this is one standard setup of FundExpert. There are different white label options as well. See, we can create your own name. We can create the app in the Play Store as well, where you can directly go and download. We have such apps downloaded here as well. See, we have many apps created like that. We have even created, like, if you want to see, this is kind of like a white label app. There will be no FundExpert name or branding. Everything will be customized, and you'll see your own app created here. Okay, see, like this, it will be like completely your app created. You can even log in and check the details there. You can sign up, everything is available. So like this, many white label labs, based on your requirement, we can create. We have different products for web as well as for mobile app. Okay. See, in the website also, we saw the FundExpert template or FundExpert, how it looks. There are different white labels also as well, right? Okay, like this, we can create different white label apps also for white label website also for you, where it will be created with your own branding. Okay, so you will be having a login page. You will have your own login page like this with your logo and branding, everything. Like this, you can create different. You can have create different products for you as well, as per your requirement, how you require it. We have some standard templates also. Like, I'll just show you some standard templates here. So like this corporate website also can be created based on your requirement. This is entirely white label. The website as well as the login page is white label, based on how you require. So here also you'll see the theme color, the logo, everything is changed according to your requirement. So whichever you prefer, you can take. We have different premium services, or whatever is the requirement, accordingly which our team can develop or do it and give it to you. Okay. Fine. So thank you so much. I hope this session was useful for you. Now I just now is the time for your question and answer session. Over to you, Satendra.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, Mr. Dharamraj, is there any question or any doubt you have in mind? So, yeah. So I'm just taking in that sense. We have who have joined. So I just want to know if you have any questions, because I don't see any questions come in the chat. So I would say, if you want to ask any question, Mr. Dharma, you can unmute yourself. So I'll give you opportunity, each one to understand more in detail. Mr. Dharma, you have any questions specifically on our product and services? Okay, so I'll just, I guess there's no questions at all from anyone. So I'll just wind up with a particular thing. So, I'll just give you a kind of a final overview. So basically now, I'll just share back my screen and give you the final overview. So I'll just become the presenter again. So here it is. Those who have joined us now, it's your opportunity. You can try it, and I'll just share my screen, and here it is. So now you know exactly why we say the people who are using us have made us the most, most appreciated platform in India. We are Google rating 4.6. More than 1,000 have chosen our platform, and so, and just to show you, they have appreciated, and how they, just to show you, people, they have written best app ever. It allows to navigate. Best tool for you, really transform practices, great support, and they have given the access. So complete details, everything about very good application like that, wonderful reviews and all the details are there. And he has already shown you all the features. Here are some of the top features which you can go and you can sign up. So I just skip all this. This is all web app look which he has already covered. So see, these are the top things. We are the only software that allows you to generate cash in one click. You can just generate in one click. Then you can, after doing that, you can display, track, pre-fill form and change the ARN for these guys which are not under you. You can also download SOA within software. You can also redeem direct plans, allows you and then allows you color theme, all that. And the only platform where you directly you get a personal access to the co-founders WhatsApp support group, which is especially created for each one of you, so that your queries are instantly taken care and your RMs are doing your so the platform comes with a lot of unique facilities. And I would suggest, if you have not signed up for us early, please go and sign up. We will contact you at no extra cost. The sign up is totally free. You just sign up. We will explain you how this platform will. So sign up, go and visit on. Here is our contact details. If you have not already signed, Mr. Dhan, which I am not aware, then you have Fund Expert Fintech. There is a sign up option, or you can text your WhatsApp or contact us on IVR. So that's all for the session for the today. If you have any queries, we look forward to working with you and helping you out and sorting it out, or making your platform wonderful. So thanks for attending. Thanks for taking your time today. If there are any, so you can just go to fundexpertfintech.com, just open the site, click on the sign up if you have already not signed up, and then fill your name and ARN details, and one of us will contact back to you. Or you can mention your details on the chat and one of us will get back to you. Okay. So those who have signed up, like Mr. Siddhartha, I think you already signed up with us. So you will shortly get detailed videos on the admin panel and other things, which are the questions which are related to you. And then you can escalate those questions in your support group, and your RM Manjunath will be helpful to help you. And if there is anything, then Vinod is always around to help you further. Fine, Mr. Siddhartha.
Yes, sir. Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Mr. Siddhartha. Thank you. Mr. Siddhartha, you have already signed up with us?
That I am not sure.
Okay, can I have your ARN, Mr. Dharma, so that I can check?
Pardon?
Your ARN number?
ARN 66139.
Okay, fine. I'll just check that, and I'll help you to come on board and try it out if it is not already active. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question, Mr. Dharmraj, you have?
Because I am not well versed about it, I do not have any questions.
Okay, no. I understand. This is first time you're going through this.
Yes.
So yeah, Manjunath is your RM, so I'll ask him to connect with you.
Yes,
and explain in more detail any doubt, and help you use the platform. I saw you are already signed up with us, so it was great. So he'll help you. I'll ask him to call you and help you to set up. Okay, yes, I understand you're new to this, so we'll help you. Okay, thank you, Mr. Siddharth. Thank you, Mr. Dharma. So we'll take you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.